Hello, I'm Ilya from Eocortex, and today I will show you how to set up and use the user rights. First of all, to set it up, we need to open the configurator and check the user tab. Then, for Eocortex Enterprise and Ultra, there are three types of user groups. Senior administrators. For this group, we can't change the rights and delete it. Administrators and operators. For other licenses, only two: administrators and operators. Then, to change the settings, we need to select the group of users. So in Eocortex, we can change the rights only for the group of users. To change them, we click Edit. And here we have two groups of managements: configuring and surveillance. For configuring, we can set the rights for different servers in the system, for the cameras, and for the cameras we can also check what we want or what access do we want to allow. So just viewing settings and adding cameras, modifying settings, or modifying settings, deleting and adding cameras. And the surveillance, so that's more for the operators. So here we have basic options, cameras, so surveillance, archive, and modules. For the operators, we have only surveillance without managing. Then, if we want to add a new user, we click here, Add User, select here a group of users like senior operators, senior administrators, or operators. For example, let's create a new user for the administrator group. Let's call him John. John, set the password. And here it is. Then, if we want, we can also use the Active Directory for Eocortex Enterprise and Ultra. To create a new user, we can add a new user and here change to Active Directory. Then we need to put our credit aliens. And then I want to search for my last name. So here I am. I select my user and apply. So this is how can we add new users, add new group of users, and change the settings. If we want to delete some users, we just click Delete here. Then, also here we can manage the rights and adding new users for messengers. To do that, we need to go to this tab. Here, by default, you need to register your new account. So for example, let's do that. Disable interaction and then click Enable it. And here, if you don't have an account, you click register, put your email and password, and in this situation you will receive an activation code to your email. So you just put it and have a new account. In my situation, I already have it, so I put my email and password. Okay. So I have the access, so here is some info for the account. Here we have a new account, so with my email, name, group of users and messengers that already used. So let's delete it and create it again. So we use the email, name, the group of users, so that's similar with the regular Eocortex users, and select which messengers can we use. So here we have the list of most popular messengers that support chatbot functions. For example, WhatsApp doesn't support chatbots. That's why we don't have the Eocortex messenger function. So we add, and now we have these three options for the messengers that are not available right now. So we have an invitation in the email, so we need to use link that was sent. And in this case, a new chatbot will be available in one of these messengers. So let's also take a look how can we log in now. So we open, for example, the Eocortex client, and here are two options. So the standard connection or connection to Eocortex cloud. If we want to connect into system, we select the IP address of the server, the user, so the Eocortex user, or Active Directory. So if we need that, we put our info. Right now, this configuration wasn't applied. That's why we had that error. So let's check how it works with another account. And use the Eocortex user, for example, root. And here we are. So we configured a user and can log in with it. So today we knew how to change the settings, set up the new user or group of users. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.